Have you ever felt a soft touch on your arm or leg and looked down to see your cat placing their paw on you? Maybe it's just a cute gesture, right? Well, not quite. What your cat is doing is far more meaningful than you might think. Today, we're diving into the hidden language of cats, specifically what it means when your cat puts their paw on you. Cats have their own language. Understanding the paw gesture, cats may not speak human words, but their body language is a rich and intricate form of communication. Every whisker, twitch, tail flick, and paw touch is a message. When your cat places their paw on you, it could be one of many messages, depending on the context. 1. Trust and affection. A paw touch is a sign your cat feels safe with you. 2. Attention seeking sometimes. A paw is a gentle hey, notice me. 3. Territorial marking. Cats have scent glands in their paws. A touch leaves a personal mark, saying, "this is my human." Affection and bonding. One of the most common reasons your cat puts their paw on you is simply affection. It's a way of saying, love you, I trust you, okay, and I want to be close to you. Some cats even paw while kneading your lap or chest, which is a behavior from kittenhood. Kneading combined with a paw touch is essentially a cat hug in slow motion. Did you know? Cats often knead when they're feeling content because it reminds them of nursing from their mother. Pawing you is the adult version of this loving behavior. Seeking attention or playtime. Ever been busy reading, cute, working, or scrolling your phone, only to feel a tiny paw pressing against your arm? This is classic attention seeking. Cats quickly learn that touching you with their paw gets a reaction. It's their polite, patient way of saying, "hey, don't ignore me," cat, pawing laptop user. Then jumping into lap. Tips for responding. Gently pet or scratch your cat behind the ears. Engage them with a toy if they want to play. Never punish a gentle pawing gesture. This is a positive bond cue. Comfort and security. Cats are instinctively cautious animals. Pawing can also be a way of seeking comfort and security. If your cat places their paw on you during a storm, loud noises, or unfamiliar situations, they are essentially using you as a safe anchor. Cat pawing owner during thunderstorm. Owner gently stroking the cat. Fun fact. Cats release calming pheromones from their paws when touching you, making both of you feel more relaxed. This is why a simple paw can feel emotionally soothing. Understanding the context, not all paw touches are the same. Here's how to decode them. Visuals. Examples: 1. Light, gentle tap, usually a friendly check-in. 2. Soft knead with paw, a combination of comfort and affection. 3. Quick swipe or poke, stick. Could be playful or slightly annoyed. 4. Paw with body leaning, strong trust and bonding. Observe your cat's other body signals: tail, ears, eyes. A paw combined with a relaxed body is affection. A paw with ears back might mean I'm not in the mood right now. When pawing becomes persistent, some cats become persistent with their paws. They may tap, knead, or nudge repeatedly. This often signals hunger or mealtime reminder. Desire for play * seeking attention for emotional comfort * tips. * keep a regular schedule for meals and playtime. * redirect to toys if pawing becomes excessive. * respond with calm affection rather than frustration. Cat, pawing, fridge, or feeding area. Then receiving treat. The paw gesture is a chance to strengthen your bond with your cat. Here's how. 1. Respond gently. A light scratch, pet, or cuddle reinforces trust. 2. Talk softly. Cats recognize tone. Soothing voice builds connection. 3. * play regularly. Use toys to engage their instincts. 4. Respect their signals. * if your cat paws but seems tense, give them space. Fun facts about cats' paws. Here are some fascinating paw facts you might not know. Cats have sweat glands in their paw pads, which help regulate body temperature. * there. Paw pads are highly sensitive and help them balance and hunt. * each paw leave a scent signature, marking territory in subtle ways. * paws are also communication tools. Gentle taps, kneads, and scratches all have meaning. Next time your cat puts their paw on you, pay attention. They're trying to tell you something. Comment below and tell us, does your cat paw you often? What do you think it means? And don't forget to subscribe for more videos unlocking your cat's secret language. Cats communicate in the subtlest ways, and a paw on you is one of the sweetest gestures of love, trust, and connection. By observing, responding, and understanding, you can deepen your bond and create a happier life for both you and your feline. Friend, remember, every paw tap is a small message, a tiny reminder that your cat loves you in the only way they know how. Watch next, 5 secret cat behaviors you never noticed. * subscribe for daily cat tips.